another video. So for today's video, as you can see in the title, I did this makeup or summer makeup look featuring the newest product from Colourette. Not sponsored. They're Colourette shimmertints. So yeah, I just did this look, a very glowy, summery vibes look. And yeah, if you wanna see how I did this look and if I like the Colourette shimmertints, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so before anything else, I would like to say that I will be featuring yung new product ng Colourette, which is the Colourette shimmertints. And before we start doing the makeup, or before I start doing my own summer glowy look, I wanted to share my thoughts with you and my expectations with these products. I got only two shades, which is the Crystal Prism and the Rose Quartz. If you guys can see, meron pa silang dalawang shade, which is Yellow Diamonds and Tiger's Eye. I just got two shades because I think that this will be the best that will match my skin tone. So, ayan. And then, yung shades pala nila is inspired sa mga gems, I guess. Basta yun. So, this one is Crystal Prism and this one is Rose Quartz. They also have Yellow Diamonds, which is a very golden one, and the Tiger's Eye, which is very best to match to deeper skin tones. And ayan, so sa taas or sa lid, you can see the shade, and then sa harap, it just said Shimmer Tint, the multi-purpose liquid highlighter, and it has 12 grams. And then sa gilid is, I don't know, maybe this is the ingredients. And then sa likod, ingredients ulit. And yung kanilang website. And it will expire 18 months after opening. And the last, ito sa gilid, is yung kanyang claims, which is, it has a blendable formula, it is long-lasting, a subtle, healthy glow, and a lightweight finish. Expecting a lot with this shimmertints because I'm a huge fan of their colourtints. So, I have two shades ng colourtints. This one, they have two variants. They have two variants, which is the matte one. So, ito medyo velvet yung kanyang formula. And then, the fresh one, which is yung ano talaga, parang very blendable. So, I guess kung ano yung kulay sa packaging, yun din yung kulay ng shade. So, let's open first the Rose Quartz. So, this is a very pinkish tone. So, ayan. Actually, I'm hesitant to buy this. I'm planning to buy nga the Yellow Diamonds. Pero, ayan, this really wins because it's pink. And, also sa baba, sa baba, meron din siyang shade. And, yun lang yung kanyang packaging. It's glass, same as their contour tints and the color tints. So, ayan. Pare-parehas lang sila ng packaging. And then, sa likod, it just says you have to shake it up real good because ito kasi naghihiwalay yung pigments niya. Yung pigments niya, pag matagal mo siya hindi nagamit, yung pigments niya nandito sa ilalim. And then, parang yung oil ata or water is nasa taas. And then, you have to shake it para pagka binuksan mo siya, hindi siya magbuo-buo. This retails for 345 pesos if I'm not mistaken. And then, their color and contour tints retails for 250 pesos. So, ito medyo mahal siya. I don't know why. Ayan. I guess that's okay. I will be giving you guys a swatch. Ooh. It's very pink. Ayan. very pink. And then, sunod natin si Crystal Prism. So, ayan yung shade niya. This one is Rose Quartz and this one is Crystal Prism. So, let's blend. So, ito, para siyang sa una. I mean, pag binblend mo na siya, it's very subtle. Ayan, as you can see, subtle glow lang. But I think, or I hope, that you can layer this or patong-patong para if you want a more blinding highlighter, then go for it. So, I just did my skincare and now I'm ready to do my makeup. I will use the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer, and I actually love this primer because super soft niya sa skin and talagang it really helps with your pores. The feels of this is very soft, as in talagang parang sobrang soft talaga. Parang velvety yung feeling niya. So, ayan. Buong face na yung nilagyan ko ng primer. So, actually, this is optional. If you don't want primer, if you don't have any primer, if you don't like na naglalagay ng primer, it's fine. It's just for my preference. Gusto ko lang maglagay. Of course, ito yung ever famous na laging ginagamit. It's very nice for an everyday look. This is the Belo Tinted Sunscreen. So, this is nice, lalo na kasi ngayon, mag-summer na, we need SPF in our life. Actually, dapat talaga always tayo nag-SPF or nag-sunscreen. So, yeah, I will just put the back of my hand. Actually, paubos na to. Kaya I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. So I'm done blending and I really love using this, and what I love most about this is actually hindi ka na okay lang na hindi mo na siya iset with powder, but for me I'll use my Innisfree no sebum mineral pack, or actually kahit Johnson's baby powder lang. I suggest you use something super light kasi for the summer, actually in my opinion, ayoko na naglalagay ng super daming powder because mainit and it will just cake up. So, I love using actually Johnson's baby powder kung meron kayo, pero I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna put and lightly dust sa aking face. Kasi super konti lang. So, I can work with that. So, mamaya natin tapusin yung base. Let's move on to the brows and the eyes. So, for the brows, I will use the AOA Sculpting Brow Pencil. I mean, for daily basis, mas gusto ko na gumagamit ng pencil because mas madali siya. And, yeah, let's do our brows. You can use a eyebrow gel, which is I'm gonna use paubos na itong Nichido clear brow gel ko, napaubos na, madumi na, and lagi ko siyang ginagamit. Medyo yung pag-set ko parang makaganon siya, parang mas, you know, mas fresh. And then let's move on to the eyes. So, I wanted to use this shimmertints for my eyes as well because it is actually multi-purpose. Pwede mo siyang ihalo sa foundation, sa lipstick, and anything. I will use first this, the Ever Belena roller in the shade Red to Go. This is what I love to do. Lalo na pag pupunta sa school. Nakaka-fresh kasi siya. And as you can see, medyo nag-give siya ng color. Ng little tint to the eyes, which I love. Kasi super nakaka-fresh siya. And it's also very effortless kasi imbis na mag-eyeshadow ka, diba? Ayan. And I will use the rose quartz to my eyes. Since this is a glowy look, gusto natin ng glowy lids. Ooh, so nice. And with the fingers, blend, blend, blend. Iaabot ko siya dun sa inner corners ng aking eyes. Ooh, nice. Pero I wanted to add a few more. The cheeks, I would like, let's use colourtints for the cheeks, and we will be blending it with, so maglalagay ako dyan. I'm using the shade THALIA, and I wanted to use, and I want to use rose quartz as well. So, ipag-blend ko silang dalawa. There. There, let's see how this works. This is my first time doing this. There. So, I hope this turns out well. I'm just gonna focus it in the apples of the cheeks. Wow! Sobrang dami pa lang nalagay ko. Oh my gosh! So I'm just gonna blend it with a sponge because I can handle. Dami pa natira sa hand ko, sayang. So there's the blush. So, of course, since nagamit natin si rose quartz, gamitin naman natin si crystal prism sa ating highlight. Before putting highlight nga pala, I want to bronze a little bit. So this is Ciaté, London. I don't know. Bili ko lang siya online. There. So I will now be putting highlight. So I have applied mascara on my bottom lashes. I will use Crystal Prism for my highlighter. And I'll just put maybe 2 dots first. I'm scared. Or 3, okay. Oh no, 2. with a finger. Blend it. Ooh, girl. Oh, look. I like it. I love it. Oh, yes. Okay, for the lips, I will just use a lip tint which is the Face Shop Watery Tint in the shade 5 or red or cherry red. So, ooh. Of course, for more glowy look, we're gonna use a lip gloss, which is the Careline Extra Shine Lip Gloss in the shade 4. Girl. Highlight. Yes. I feel like this makeup look is very perfect for summer. So I'm just gonna do the rest. I'm gonna change my outfit and fix my hair, and I'll be back. So yeah guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. This is the final look of my summer glow look featuring the new product from Colourette. This is not sponsored, by the way, and yeah, I just wanted to try them out, and actually I'm not surprised because I already expect that I really like it, and yeah, this is the look that I came up with. And I really like it. I really recommend it. With just 350 pesos, you get a good liquid highlighter. I hope you did like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more of this face and more contents like this. And yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of makeup tutorial videos, summer makeup videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please comment down below any video suggestions that you want to see on my next videos. Follow me on my Instagram account. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!